You can ask me any question.
What do you think about gender equality?
I think gender equality is very necessary. Like, if you don't have a gender equality, you are riding a bike in which one tire have full air and other tire don't have air. So, can you think you can ride this bicycle for a long run? This is same in the country. Men, women are the two tires of the country. If
Do you think that God is partial and discrimination with the women?
No, sir. God don't do partiality. Like don't God give different type of things to different type of persons, which is useful for their life. Like men's God give men's power, physical power, so they can fight. But inspired on girls, God gives girls mind. So it is proven that the mind skills girls have more. So if we do, so we have to give chances to both of them to get all the skills that were given to them by the God.
But you cannot put the women on the same footing as men because naturally they are not, no matter how many privileges you give to them, naturally they are not that on the par with the men. How can you say both tire can get equal?
Yes, that's why I'm saying in the bicycle, one is front wheel and another is rear wheel. So both have different type of work, but both are necessary. Like maybe some at some fields, women may at some field women may overcome men, and in other field men can overcome women. So it is the life, but we have to give full chances to both men and women so that can perform 100%.
So, what do you think about women empowerment?
Women empowerment, like women empowerment, as I said, very necessary, because you have to have a good two wheels to ride a bicycle. And for now women empowerment is going in a wrong direction. Like a real the women empowerment for the education of women, voting rights, and right to education. These are the requirement of poor empowerment. But now what is happening? Like women going in short clothes to the religious sites. And if anyone oppose them, they said it is women empowerment. We have freedom to do anything. It is not the women empowerment. The women empowerment is not designed for that things. So
What do you think about feminism?
this is the same question you are asking.
That's a whole lot of different. These are two different words, not the same word.
So feminism. Actually, I don't have anything to say about feminism.
So some celebrities use their body or expose themselves to get followers, like in social media. So how do you think?
Is it right to gain the followers?
I think it is not completely right, because
Partially right.
not completely right, maybe partially, because some men also get followers by showing their body, like pecs, pecs, good muscles. So why don't women? But it should be in limit. Like some women doing this type of things in the public space. They go into the metro and wearing very short clothes for gaining followers. It is not good. If you are doing anything at your home, it's maybe good or not right. I don't know. But there should be a limit in these things.
Now you are saying women wearing short clothes, and a few time ago you asked wearing shorts or not before you asked a question.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
now
like
you are opposing.
no, I'm not opposing. If you want to wear short clothes, you can wear. It's your choice. But your choice ended when you go into the public places. So, like, so like if you go into shorts in inner wear and underwear and inner wear, if even men go into any place in inner wear, police authority don't allow him to enter the public place. Like there was one case in which one person in the railway traveling in underwear. Then the police come to him and catch him and put into the jail.
We are not
But
talking about underwear, we are talking about like the boys will wear shorts.
shorts.
In regular place. Like if we are jogging or something like that, doing exercise, we can wear shorts, but girls can't like that.
That
No,
women's clothes are always on the news about topics and not men's.
The men's you don't see the men's wearing so much clothes to go out. The news that you see in which women not only wearing shorts, they wearing very much very small clothes. Like you don't see such thing in the news about men because men don't do such things. That's thing.